Ahoy, fellow travelers! Have you ever dreamed of embarking on a journey where the world unfolds before your very eyes? Welcome to the captivating world of cruise ship travel. Imagine stepping onto a magnificent vessel, a floating city of delights, ready to whisk you away to exotic destinations. The allure of cruise travel lies in its unique ability to combine exploration and relaxation. Whether you're seeking thrilling adventures, tranquil escapes, or a bit of both, a cruise offers something for everyone. From the moment you set foot on board, you'll be greeted with a world of possibilities. Join me as we delve into the heart of cruise ship travel, uncovering the must-do activities, insider tips, and unforgettable experiences that await.
Miami, the vibrant metropolis of Florida, pulsates with energy and serves as a gateway to unforgettable cruise adventures. Known as the cruise capital of the world, Miami boasts a dazzling array of cruise itineraries and some of the most impressive cruise ships ever built. From the moment you arrive at the bustling port of Miami, the excitement is palpable. Towering cruise ships adorned with shimmering lights line the docks, promising endless possibilities for exploration and adventure. Whether you're dreaming of exploring the colorful cultures of the Caribbean or basking in the sun-kissed beaches of the Bahamas, Miami offers a plethora of options. Picture yourself sipping on a refreshing pina colada as you sail through the turquoise waters of the Bahamas, or snorkeling amidst vibrant coral reefs teeming with marine life. The Caribbean offers a paradise for every traveler, from adventure seekers to those seeking ultimate relaxation.
Step aboard a modern cruise ship and you'll discover a floating city teeming with endless opportunities for entertainment, recreation, and pure indulgence. From Broadway caliber shows and thrilling water parks to serene spas and gourmet dining experiences, there's something to captivate every interest and age group. For those seeking thrills and adventure, many cruise ships boast exhilarating water parks with towering water slides, wave pools, and even surf simulators. Imagine the rush of adrenaline as you plunge down a multi-story water slide or catch a wave on a simulated surf machine. If relaxation and rejuvenation are more your style, escape to the tranquil oasis of the ship's spa. Pamper yourself with a soothing massage, rejuvenating facial, or a dip in the thermal pools. As the sun begins to set, the ship transforms into a hub of entertainment with dazzling performances and live music venues to keep you entertained throughout the night.
Prepare your taste buds for a culinary adventure like no other. Cruise ships are renowned for their exceptional dining options, catering to every palate and preference. From casual buffets and poolside grills to elegant fine dining restaurants, you'll be spoiled for choice when it comes to satisfying your hunger pangs. One of the great joys of cruise ship dining is the opportunity to indulge in a wide variety of cuisines without ever having to leave the ship. Start your day with a sumptuous breakfast buffet, featuring everything from fluffy pancakes and crispy bacon to fresh fruit and yogurt parfaits. In the evening, elevate your dining experience at one of the ship's specialty restaurants. Indulge in succulent steaks, fresh seafood, or authentic Italian pasta dishes prepared by world-class chefs. The attentive service, elegant ambiance, and the gentle rocking of the ship all combine to create a truly memorable dining experience.
Section 5. Lights, Camera, Action. The Entertainment Extravaganza. As the sun dips below the horizon, the cruise ship transforms into a dazzling entertainment destination, rivaling the bright lights of Broadway and the glamour of Hollywood. Prepare to be dazzled by spectacular productions, live music, and captivating shows that will leave you breathless. Cruise lines are renowned for their high-caliber entertainment, featuring talented singers, dancers, musicians, and comedians from around the globe. Step into the ship's Grand Theatre and witness Broadway-style productions, complete with elaborate costumes, stunning sets, and unforgettable musical numbers. For a more intimate entertainment experience, head to one of the ship's many lounges and bars. Enjoy live music ranging from smooth jazz and soulful blues to upbeat pop and classic rock.
Section 6. Serenity, Now. Relaxation and wellness retreats. Escape the hustle and bustle of daily life and retreat to the tranquil sanctuary of the ship's spa and wellness centre. designed to promote relaxation, rejuvenation, and overall well-being. These serene spaces offer a haven of peace and tranquility amidst the excitement of a cruise vacation. Indulge in a soothing massage, where skilled therapists will knead away your stress and tension. Choose from a variety of massage styles, including Swedish massage, deep tissue massage, hot stone massage, and aromatherapy massage. Enhance your spa experience with a rejuvenating facial designed to cleanse, exfoliate, and hydrate your skin. Many spas also offer body treatments such as body wraps, scrubs, and hydrotherapy treatments.
Making a splash, aquatic adventures and pools. Dive into a world of aquatic adventures and refreshing escapes at the cruise ship's pools and water parks. Whether you're seeking a relaxing dip, an adrenaline-pumping thrill, or some fun in the sun, there's a water activity for everyone to enjoy. Most cruise ships feature multiple pools, catering to different preferences and age groups. Take a refreshing dip in the main pool, often the hub of social activity, where you can mingle with fellow passengers, soak up the sun, and enjoy live music and entertainment. For a more tranquil experience, escape to the adults-only pool, where you can relax in a serene atmosphere, sip on cocktails, and enjoy breathtaking ocean views. Families with children will love the dedicated kids' pools, often featuring shallow splash zones, water slides, and interactive water features.
Exploring paradise shore excursions and island hopping. One of the most exciting aspects of a cruise vacation is the opportunity to explore captivating destinations and immerse yourself in new cultures. Shore excursions offer a gateway to adventure, allowing you to discover hidden gems, experience local traditions, and create unforgettable memories. Before you embark on your cruise, take some time to research the ports of call and the shore excursions offered. Most cruise lines provide a comprehensive list of excursions, ranging from historical walking tours and cultural experiences to adrenaline-pumping adventures and water sports. If you're a history buff, consider a guided tour of ancient ruins, historical landmarks, or museums. For adventure seekers, there are plenty of options to get your adrenaline pumping.
First Timer's Guide to Smooth Sailing. Embarking on your first cruise vacation can be an exciting but daunting experience. To help you navigate the world of cruise travel with ease, here's a first-timer's guide to smooth sailing, covering everything from booking your cruise to onboard etiquette. When choosing a cruise, consider your interests, budget, and the destinations you wish to visit. Research different cruise lines and their itineraries to find the perfect match for your travel style. Once you've booked your cruise, take some time to familiarize yourself with the ship's layout, dining options, and entertainment schedule. Onboard etiquette is generally relaxed and informal, but there are a few things to keep in mind.
Packing like a pro essentials for your cruise adventure. Packing for a cruise vacation requires a bit of strategy to ensure you have everything you need for a comfortable and enjoyable trip. Here's a comprehensive packing list to help you pack like a pro clothing. Pack a variety of clothing options to suit different occasions and weather conditions. Essentials include casual attire for daytime activities, swimwear, cover-ups, comfortable shoes for walking, a light jacket or sweater for cooler evenings, and more formal attire for evening dining and events. Toiletries. Pack travel-sized toiletries to comply with airline regulations. Don't forget essentials like sunscreen, insect repellent, after-sun lotion, shampoo, conditioner, soap, toothpaste, and a toothbrush. Medications. Pack any prescription medications you require, along with a copy of your prescriptions. It's also a good idea to pack a small first aid kit with essentials like pain relievers, bandages, and motion sickness medication.
Section 11. Cast off and set sail. Embark on your unforgettable journey. As the ship slowly pulls away from the dock, you'll feel a sense of excitement and anticipation wash over you. Whether you're seeking adventure, relaxation, or a bit of both, a cruise vacation offers something for everyone. So what are you waiting for? Cast off your worries, set sail on the adventure of a lifetime, and create memories that will last a lifetime. The world is waiting to be explored, one port at a time.